These ant warriors heal their wounded comrades by licking them. The ants live in sub-Saharan Africa and specialize in raiding termite nests. During these raids, some ants lose legs or antennae or end up with termites clinging to their bodies. When that happens, healthy ants are known to carry the injured ones back to the nest, where they can recover. Now, researchers have found that healthy ants take turns licking their injured friends' severed legs, treating the open wounds. The treatment reduces mortality by 70%, possibly by fighting off infections. Many animals are known to self-medicate. Certain caterpillars feed on poisonous plants to fight off parasitic larvae, while parrots eat clay to get rid of toxins. But there are fewer examples of animals treating others, especially insects, so this behavior seems pretty rare. Notably though, not everyone gets rescued. Severely injured ants that lose 5 legs out of 6 are left behind to die, probably because they're too sick to recover. Researcher Eric Frank at the University of Lausanne discovered this by accident.
I accidentally drove over one of the columns with the car, and then when I walked back to see the damage I had done, I saw that they were only helping the ones that were still in very good conditions and leaving behind the ones that were heavily injured.
Frank found that this triage system is regulated by the injured, not the helper. The ants release compounds called pheromones to alert the healthy friends to the need for a rescue mission. But when the ants have lost too many legs and can't stand up on their own, they just don't emit those SOS signals. What's more, heavily injured ants will actively sabotage efforts to rescue them. When Frank coated these ants with pheromones so that they were forced to ask for help, the injured did not cooperate in the rescue missions. They kept flailing to make it impossible for the healthy ants to carry them. After a while, the helpers got frustrated, gave up, and left them behind. All this makes it seem like the ants are incredibly smart, but Frank says we can't jump to conclusions.
These behaviors, which seem to be incredibly complex and have a very clear purpose, the ants don't know why they are doing what they are doing.
Meaning, the ants have evolved over millions of years to treat the injured, so that those mates can recover and remain functioning members of the colony. It's not a case of individual heroics, but it does benefit all the ants. It's like they figured out an ant version of socialized medicine.